Today we're gonna draw a cute chamomile flower. Now let's look at the picture. We can see flower head with yellow disc florets and white ray florets, stem, leaves, and rainbow and sky. Let's look at the picture one more time. Flower head with yellow disc florets and white ray florets, stem, leaves, rainbow, and sky. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the flower head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle and draw a big circle. Well done! Then let's draw the white ray florets and draw long U shapes around this circle. Oh, great line! Keep it up. Then let's draw the stem. Draw two long vertical lines under the flower head. And let's connect these lines over here. Then let's draw the leaves. I draw over here a long arc to the right, then to the down. Then let's draw another leaf on the left side. I draw small arc to the left and down. Now let's draw some details. Draw diagonal lines in the leaves. Oh, you're such a smart kid! Then add short diagonal lines on each side. Repeat after me. Then let's draw some details for petal. I draw small lines inside each petal. And let's add cute face. I draw the eyes inside the yellow disc florets and U shape in the middle for smile. Then let's draw some spot for color background. And let's add a rainbow, cute rainbow. Let's draw 8 arcs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 8. And let's add some magic stars. 1 rhombus and 2 circles on the right side and on the left side. That's the way to go, you did it! I like your drawing. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page, all linked in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. Let's color the rainbow. The first step is red, tracing and coloring inside. tracing, and coloring inside. Then I choose orange, tracing and coloring inside. Tracing, coloring inside, tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose yellow, tracing, tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose green, tracing and coloring inside. Tracing, coloring inside. Tracing again. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Then blue, we trace around the edge again, trying not to go beyond the line. Then I choose indigo, tracing again, we try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. And violet. Then I choose light blue for yellow for disc florets, pink for blush. I draw small circles under the eyes on the left side and on the right side. Then I choose dark green for stem and leaves. Tracing again. And coloring inside. Tracing. And coloring inside. Tracing. and coloring inside. Let's add some shadows for white ray flowers. I choose gray and tracing these lines. Then yellow and pink for magic stars. Wow, what a wonderful drawing! I like your flower. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Download and print my cute coloring page. I'll link in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!